Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your week 2 screencast video. As I mentioned here in my announcement, there seems to be a confusion about the syllabus and Google Drive exercise. Um, this could be because one student removed the syllabus and Google Drive folder from the course folder. All the documents that were in that folder were also removed, and I restored what I could. So check the folder for your document. The master copy of the syllabus is also in the syllabus and Google Drive folder. And it says when you open up the master copy, make a copy and rename it before and work in the copy. So you want to work in the copy that you made. Rename it your last name so I have a name that associates with that document. That is important. All of this is laid out in the instructions in the Drive video. So be sure to take a look at that. If your document is not there or it is missing, you should have a copy of that document in your own Drive. You can upload or move a copy into the course folder, and especially the syllabus and Google Drive folder. So also, once again, several students tell me that they completed it without a submission to Canvas. If you read the submission guidelines in the syllabus, it is clear that a submission of a link or some sort of links to a Canvas assignment is required throughout the course. So if you were not able to participate because the folder was missing, there was no copy of the syllabus, this will be available for a limited time. So I just want to be clear. Now let's move on to week number 2 schedule. This week we're starting our unit number 1, the literacy narrative. That will be your essay assignment at the end of this particular unit. We're going to begin this unit with this unit's reading, which is love letters. I was asked, I believe, in a syllabus activity where to find love letters. And if you look in modules, once again, the course orientation video would describe how everything is organized in the course. You will look in readings, and here is the link to love letters. It's a PDF. You can download a copy or pull it up. Also, there was a comment about where do we find a textbook. Well, here is a link to the textbook. If you were to open that up, it would get you to the textbook for the Moraine Valley version there. Also, if you need to download this, you can run to the syllabus page. If you want to download a PDF, there is a PDF version here that you can download and save to your particular device. Okay, so once again, you want to look in modules. Once everybody has completed the syllabus and Google Drive exercise, I'll rotate that unit down to the bottom of the page, and then the unit number 1, our literacy narrative unit, is the top. All right, so the literacy narrative essay assignment is here. This will be the topic of this week's lecture video, along with some observations about love letters. I want to be sure that everyone is clear on the location of all of the documents. So you might want to read the assessment in the module here. This week's discussion boards, if we get back to the schedule, will be, let's get to announcements. Will be discussion boards number 2 and 3. Discussion board 1 will be about section 1 and love letters. Discussion board 3 will be about the content in section 2 and 3. Responses for both discussion boards will be due Sunday, end of day. So just to make everyone familiar, get back to that. Scroll to the readings. And let's get to love letters. It'll give you a preview version here in Canvas. And as I scroll through, here is section 1. And I believe section 2 should be coming up at the end of the page. Here's section 2. And likewise here, section 2 is rather long. And section 3 right here. All right. So you have that to review. You know where the sections are for each discussion board post. Now, the issue here is that you want to focus on purpose and audience when reading love letters. Purpose is, what is Mickey's purpose as she writes? Well, who particularly is the audience? All right, so that's it for this week's screencast video. Look for middle of the week for the lecture video about our essay assignments and more about love letters. Good luck.